Oh, that's a Hellcat. Had a bitch a month. Now he fell off, he tryna sell that. My dog scanned his bitch, then hit his sister. Like, where your Zell at? Just knocked my bitch too. Heard she catch a days doing bareback. Walked in with the strap, shot the engineer by
man, these Dino crackheads always in the middle of the street talking and shit. Hey, look. I know these niggas is not sitting on my hood right now. These niggas is snorting dick. Dude.
We got the right of way.
Bruh. This fucking crackhead sitting on my hood playing dice?
No good.
Fuck that. Hey, cuz, my mama. I'm finna whoop y'all ass. Y'all got me fucked up. Shut up, bitch. I said, shut up, bitch.
Yeah, shut up, bitch.
In the state of California, sir, we have the right of way. So if we wanted to sit here, we can.
Yeah, you better read the rule book again, motherfucker.
Period, Pooh.
You know what? Yeah, I'ma just wait right here, all right? Just let me know when y'all done. Fucking San Bernardino, man.